It's the best day, Amazon delivery day. I have loads of packages to unbox and we're gonna do it together. Everything is gonna be linked in my Amazon storefront under TikTok recommendations. I reordered the Flower Beauty concealer because I don't wanna run out of it. And I'm almost finished with the first tube that I ordered. This has just been my go-to concealer, y'all. It's full coverage, but it's pretty lightweight. I love. This is a pair of earrings that I am probably most excited about. Let me get it out of this box, y'all. These earrings are stunning. They aren't the lightest weight earrings, but they're so blingy, and I just kind of passed them out. And they're super affordable. Okay, honestly, I definitely have heavier earrings, but y'all. On to the next. This was a TikTok maybe buy it. They are papaya and pineapple enzymes. They're just supposed to help with digestion. We'll see how they work. This is a Kenra, almost broke a toe there. This is the Kenra Dry Volume Burst, and I have just been wanting to try this forever. Okay. It's sweater weather, so I bought me a sweater. This doesn't look too exciting, but I'll try now. I love the color. This material is actually really nice. It's really thick, but I'm feeling like the neckline is just not doing me justice. These are 28 little stretch bracelets, and they have adorable little charms on there. I got these to use for Christmas gifts. So it was 28 of them in a pack, and it was one low price. Great deal. This is my last thing, but y'all look at this color. Woo! It's a dress. Let me try it out. I know this color ain't gonna be for everybody, but I just could not pass it up. This is my jam all the way. And the fabric is so good. Here she is full length. I don't know if I'd wear this with heels or with boots. Maybe I'll have to try it with both. But y'all, with the earrings, I'm holiday ready. If I get one comment about the color of my legs, y'all, but I am not about to tan for a TikTok, so